Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your current vision and eliminating obvious strain. First, schedule a comprehensive eye exam to rule out treatable issues. Once done, set your screen 20 to 28 inches away and lower brightness to reduce glare. Make sure you sleep 7 to 9 hours, drink water throughout the day, and add vitamin and omega-3 rich foods to meals to support retinal health. Start these steps today, so the rest of the program builds on a correct baseline. You now create a practical daily routine to reduce strain and strengthen focusing. Every 20 minutes, use the 20-20-20 rule. Look at an object 20 feet away for 20 seconds, then resume work. Do focus shift exercises. Hold a near object then a distant one, repeating 10 times, and finish with palming for 1 minute. Make sure to correct posture. Take regular walking breaks, and wear UV-blocking sunglasses outdoors to prevent squinting. Consistency over weeks produces measurable comfort and improved visual performance. You finish by maintaining gains and knowing when to escalate care. Keep a simple log of vision clarity, headaches, and screen time so you can spot trends. Once every 2 to 4 weeks, adjust lighting, exercise intensity, or break frequency based on that record. If an optometrist prescribes lenses or prisms, integrate them into your routine. If you experience sudden vision loss, flashes, persistent blurry vision, new double vision, or severe pain, seek immediate professional evaluation. Don't rely solely on natural methods.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.